So we have started to set up the console. It says it gives us some power options. Power options for reset mode. Consumes less power with some features disabled. Okay, let's go with this. I'm gonna agree with that. Man, the controls are really smooth. Update the system software to use network features and get the most out of your PS5. Okay, let's update it. It's just 1.3 GB. I can wait, no problem. So you can look at the wrappers around the edges of this TV. I have not yet removed them. There's some dust accumulated on them, so I'm going to get rid of or probably clean it up in some time. We got 29 seconds to go. I'm not able to, since I'm holding my camera, I'm not able to hold the controller in both of my hands. So let's see where it takes us. You got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. It's restarting. So I gotta get a stand here to fix the PlayStation. For now, I have just arranged for a jugaad and kept it on a chair. I got some dumbbells down there. Alright. So resumed. System software update is installing. We are back online now. Another installation going on. We are already 3 minutes into the video. This is the initial setup of PS5.